Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Talie and I'm back with another video. So today I will be doing a 3-in-1 braided tutorial. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you could be notified whenever I post. Let's get into it. Okay, so tutorial number 1 will be braiding over the locks, and the technique that I'll be using is the loop technique. So what I'll be doing is splitting the braids, not in half, so one side is going to be bigger than the other, and then I form a loop. After I'm through doing that, I'm going to place the braid above the lock and start to braid. So just as though I place the braided hair above the lock, I'm going to start my 1-2 crossover. After I do the second crossover, I'm going to use a portion of the braid to cover the locks, just the way you see me doing. Okay, so if the locks is long, this is how you're going to maintain covering or hiding the locks while braiding. You're going to feed in more braids. Don't go ahead and plait all the way through if the locks is tall. You're going to add more braids and continue to cover the locks. Okay, so we're on to tutorial number 2, and in tutorial number 2 I will be showing you an easy way to get your knotless braid done. Okay, so this is the crochet method. So what I did, as you can see, is I plait the hair, then I'm going to insert my crochet needle across, feed in the braids, pull it through, and then make sure they're even. Then step number 2, I'm going to insert the crochet needle upwards, just the way you see me doing. Feed in the braids, pull it through, make sure it's even. Okay, so watch closely now, guys. Alright, so you see them 2 side pieces here, so I'm going to call them my wing pieces. I'm going to hold them first, and after I hold those 2 wings, I'm going to reach for the middle portion, and in the middle portion it's going to entail the 2 portion of braids along with your natural hair or the mannequin natural hair. Now I'm going to use the middle portion to cover the natural hair, and then I'm going to start my crossover. So my crossover will begin below the middle portion, just the way you see me doing, and then I'm going to come back across with the other wing below the middle portion, and then I'm going to braid all the way through to the end. And while I'm braiding, I'm going to ensure that the natural hair is being covered with the middle piece, just the way you see me doing, guys. Okay, so we're on to tutorial number 3. We're almost through. Okay, so just like tutorial number 2, we will be using the crochet technique or method. Now, in tutorial number 2, we didn't use any rubber band. In this tutorial, we will be using a rubber band. Okay, so I'm going to insert the needle upwards, and then I'm going to feed in the braid, close the needle, pull it through, make sure it's even, and then I'm going to insert the needle across, feed in the braids, pull it through, make sure it's even. Okay, so for this style, I'm going to apply some edge control to the natural hair and to the braided hair, just to have a smoother feeling when I'm twisting the braids. Okay, so it's collaboration time. And when I say collaboration, it just simply means that the braids will be working together. Now, the left wing and the right wing will be working hand in hand, and the middle portion will be working together as well. All right, so we're going to take the left wing, bring it across, and join it with the right wing, and then we're going to ensure that the natural hair is being hidden under the middle portion of the braid. Now, as we form our braids together, we're going to start the procedure. Now, just as you see me doing, we're going to twist and hold the braids firm. Now, after we have done that, now it's time to twist as tight as possible, but not too tight to give yourself an headache or to cause breakage on your hair. Ensure that the braid is firm in your hand. So as you twist, you want to kind of pull upwards, just the way you see me doing. So I twist and I push upwards to form that rope look, or to have that rope feeling, just the way you see me doing, guys. There is no need for any feeding, but in case you want to feed in, if you want to have it longer or you want it to be more thicker and fuller, then you can do feeding, but for this procedure I won't be doing any feeding. Now we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!